This past week, I jumped on a private call with students inside my insider program and I gave them access to a GPT that I've been quietly building based on the best selling book called The 16-Word Sales Letter. They answer a few questions, and within minutes, they each had a one-page document that could feed straight into AI to help them sell their offer, create their emails, create the checkout page, and more. So today, I'm opening it up. I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works. And if your offer isn't selling, I don't think you have a copywriting problem. I think you're missing a one document, one page that should be sitting underneath everything you write. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that document is and walk you through it with a real example. And if you stick around, I'm going to give you a free GPT, the one I just showed, that builds it all for you in minutes. So let's jump into it. Here's what I see all the time. Someone has a great offer, a coaching program, a course, a workshop, something they've poured real knowledge and real care into. And they know their topic. They could talk about it for hours. But the moment they sit down to write that sales email or a sales page, something happens. Doesn't sound right. It doesn't feel like them. They write a line, they delete it, they write it again, and eventually they just send something flat. How do I know? That's me. It's happened to me a lot. It's just something that we're just not that proud of, and we don't get the results that we're after. So they wonder often if maybe they need a better funnel or a better email sequence or maybe a different offer altogether or more copywriting training. But that's not the problem. The problem is they've never answered one foundational question. And until they do, nothing they write will land the way that it should. I came across this idea a few months back from the book, The 16-Word Sales Letter. It's a short book, only 91 pages. It is a little bit expensive for a book, but the reviews are outstanding. And this book was written by a copywriter named Evaldo Albuquerque. And here's what makes his story so incredible. English wasn't his first language. And when he joined Agora Financial, one of the most competitive copywriting firms in the world, he was ranked dead last on the team. So he went back to the basics and he developed a single sentence, 16 words, that could carry the entire weight of a sales argument. Within a year, he went from last place to first. Incredible. And that concept became his book. And Alvaldo has since generated over 150 million in sales using one core principle. And if you can get your buyer to believe one specific thing, they'll buy. Not 10 things, not a list of features, one belief. I took this core formula and I built it into the one belief statement. It's a one-page document that answers 10 questions your buyer is silently asking before they say yes. And once you have it, sales pages get easier, promo emails get easier, and the workshop outlines almost write themselves. So let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to use a real example from a workshop I have coming up that I've been using this one-page document. I'll unredact it so you can watch how the formula works. So everything sits and starts with one sentence. And this is the magic formula right here. New opportunity is the key to customer desire, and it's attainable only through new mechanism. So this is the exact structure. This is the 16 words that if you can fill in these three spots, you'll begin to get more sales and be more persuasive in your writing. So 3 pieces, that's all you need. Let me break them down quickly. First is the new opportunity. This is your category. This is the approach or the path that you're inviting your buyer into. Not your offer itself, but it's the way of thinking behind it. Then we have next the customer desire. And this is what they're really after. Not the surface level want, the deeper result that would actually change something for them. And the new mechanism, this is the last one here, is your unique system or framework, the specific way you deliver that result that nobody else delivers the same way. And when these 3 things align, you have a belief that your buyer can actually hold. They can say, yes, that makes sense for me. And that's the moment the sale becomes possible. You see, most people skip this and we jump straight to features, pricing, buttons, pictures. But if your buyer doesn't hold one clear belief about why your path is right for them, none of the other stuff matters. You're just building on sand. So let's jump into the 10 questions that go along with this. And I'm going to give you a real example that we can follow. Now, here's where it gets powerful. Once you have that clear belief statement, you answer 10 questions around it. Now, I want to be clear, these aren't questions you're asking yourself. They're questions your buyer is already asking in their head before they say yes. And I'm going to walk through each of these right now and use a real example that I've completed on the screen so you can see the concept and the answer at the same time. So the belief statement for this example is this: clients on autopilot is the key to a thriving coaching business, and it's only attainable through the invisible leads system. So the opportunity, clients on autopilot. We all want that as coaches, right? The desire, a thriving coaching business. We want that. And the mechanism is the invisible leads system. Now, watch how the 10 questions fill in around it. Here's question number 1: unique angle. How is this different from everything else I've seen? If your idea isn't unique, it's invisible. Your buyer has seen hundreds of offers already. This question forces you to name what makes your approach stand out. So for example, look at mine. Most list building strategies stop working the moment you stop showing up. The invisible lead system is algorithm powered. You set it up once, Facebook finds your ideal buyer every single day automatically. That's one sentence that's instantly clear. Let's look at question number 2. What's in it for me? This is the big promise that you need to be able to deliver. And for this one, it's not the features, it's their outcome. What does their life look like after they go through what you're offering? So here's what I wrote down for this one. Wake up every day to new leads without posting, emailing, or showing up. Specific, desirable, no fluff. Let's go to question number 3. This is proof. And the question we're asking is, how do I know this is real? Well, I'm using my own example here. And the reason why you want to use a real example is because the buyer's skeptical. They've been burned before. This is where proof comes in, not credentials for their own sake, but real evidence that this actually works. And here's what I wrote. Jonathan generates 40 leads a day at 70 cents each, all on autopilot, using the exact system he's teaching. Real numbers, real data, that's proof. Question number 4. This is answering the real problem. What's holding me back? This is where your buyer has been struggling. Picture them struggling, and often without being able to even name it. And when you name their problem better than they can, they lean in. They feel seen. So here's what I came up with for this one on list building. They're showing up every single day, posting, creating, engaging, but their list isn't growing and they have nothing to show for the effort. That's the frustration. Name it clearly and they'll trust you immediately. Let's go to question number 5. And this one is naming the enemy. Who or what is to blame? You see, every single sales conversation has an enemy, and it should never be the buyer. Give them something external to point at, and it releases the shame of not having figured it out yet. Let me show you a real example. The enemy, in this case on list building, is the platform itself. Organic reach is dead, and the industry keeps selling the dream of just post consistently without ever telling creators that the game is rigged against them. Powerful, right? It's helping them understand that the enemy is the system, not the person. Let's look at question number 6. This is the urgency question. Why now? It's not a fake urgency. It's not about countdown timers. This is the honest cost of waiting. What keeps happening quietly in the background every day that they don't solve this? Here's an example of what I wrote. Every day, without a system, is another day your list stays the same. No dramatic deadline, just the cost of waiting. Powerful, right? There is a cost of waiting that people run into. It's simple, but it's true, and more persuasive than any artificial deadline. And that leads us to question number 7. That's the credibility question. Why should I trust you? Now, credibility is not the resume version. It's the version that says, I've been where you are, I figured something out, and I can show you the path. Here's an example. Jonathan generates 40 leads a day at 70 cents each using the exact system he's teaching, and he has the ad data to prove it. Very important. We got to show that proof. This is not theory, it's proof. Specific numbers beat impressive titles every single time. And that brings us to question number 8. This is the mechanism question. How does it work? Now, your mechanism, you want to think about giving them enough to understand it, but not so much that they feel like they don't need you. 3 parts often work well here, and I'll show you my examples. 3 parts: the avatar first ad attracts the right person, Advantage Plus scales it automatically, and the binge welcome series warms them up for you so that they're ready to buy. Clear, structured, and confident. Question number 9. This is the offer question. How can I get started? The offer is all about the exact thing that they're buying, joining, or signing up for. Make it as clear and frictionless as possible. Confusion kills sales, and it almost always happens right here. Here's the example of mine, and mine is going to be selling a live workshop for $100. And so here's what I put: a live workshop where Jonathan walks you through building the invisible lead system from scratch, avatar first ad copy, Advantage Plus setup, and the binge welcome email series, all in one session. One clear next step. That's all it needs to be. And finally, question number 10. The last one's the consequences question. And it asks this: what do I have to lose? The consequences of inaction, not fear, honesty. What's the quiet cost of staying exactly where they are? And here's what I put down. Another month passes, the list doesn't grow, and your message never reaches the people who need it most. That's a lot of consequences for us that have a message to share, right? Now, this is not a scare tactic. It's the truth, and your buyer already knows it. So here we have 10 questions, 1 page, and here's what's remarkable. The moment you can answer all 10 cleanly, you already know everything you need to write your sales page, your promo emails, your workshop, if that's what you're doing, your talk. This document isn't the output. It's the source code for all of it. Now, here's why this matters beyond just one single sales page, because this isn't really a copywriting tool. It's a clarity tool. And once you have it, it runs everything. Your sales page writes itself. Every section maps directly to one of the 10 questions. Your promo emails each pull from a single question. One email addresses the enemy. One delivers the big promise. One shares the proof. You're not starting from scratch anymore. You're pulling from one clear source. Your workshop follows the same flow. You open with the unique angle. You build credibility. You teach the mechanism, and you close with the offer. In your talks, on stage, on a podcast, in a video, they all come from the same document. 1 page, everything aligned. No more rewriting your message from scratch every time you sit down to create. Most people are reinventing their message every single time that they create something. That's exhausting. And it's why nothing feels consistent. But the one belief document fixes that at the root. Here's the shift that I want you to walk away with. Your offer doesn't need better copy. It needs a clearer belief. Get the belief right, the opportunity, the desire, and the mechanism, and the words will follow every single time. I know that sitting down to sell something that you've built can feel uncomfortable. It can feel like bragging, like you're imposing, but when you have the clarity about what you're offering and why it matters, selling stops feeling like performance and it starts feeling like service. And that's when everything changes. Now, I promise you something at the beginning of this video. I built a custom GPT. And this is the one that I gave to my students in my program that they were completely blown away with. Answer a few questions, and you'll have that 1-page document ready to go. You just answer those questions, and it builds out your complete one belief statement, all 10 sections in minutes. And the link for this is in the description below. It's completely free. And if you want to go deeper on how to build a $1 million business as a writer, coach, or speaker, then check out the video, The $1 Million Messenger Path. You'll find it right here, and I'll see you over in that video.